Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the Power of Healthy Food series where I show you how to make lots of healthy and mouth-watering recipes using the Power Oil Pure Vegetable Oil. Maintaining a healthy eating lifestyle should be of importance to you, and one way to achieve this is by setting realistic and achievable goals like preparing your meals with a healthy cooking oil that takes really good care of the heart. My top choice is always the Power Oil Pure Vegetable Oil because it's a healthy cooking oil that's fortified with vitamins A and E and omega-6 and 9. Now, omega-6 and 9 are two fatty acids that the body uses for growth and repair and also to build cell membranes. I have a guest in the house today who is a health enthusiast, a fitness expert, a model and an actor, and one of the former housemates of the BBN Season 5 Lockdown Edition. I'm talking of none other than Eric. Hi, Eric.
I'm good.
Thank you so much for coming to the Power Oil Kitchen.
It's good to be here. You're Power Oil. Yeah, I have to come.
So good to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so Eric today is going to be featuring in the taste test segment. Like, I've been cooking all these yummy delicacies for you guys, and I decided to bring in someone who would help taste the food and tell you guys if all the foods I've been making are actually really worth the hype. I know I've been hyping the food a lot, which is not hype because it's the truth. So Eric is here. He's here to taste the food and give his verdict. So today I'm going to be making red curry sauce with brown rice.
Okay,
have you ever heard of that before?
No, I've heard it before. So
are you excited?
You're looking forward to it, right?
All right.
100%.
All right, so he's going to come back during the taste test segment, and I just wanted to introduce you to everyone.
Okay.
We'll see you in a bit, okay?
Yeah,
For this recipe, you need some coconut milk, chicken pieces, vegetables, onions, tomato paste, fresh tomatoes, seasonings, washed brown rice, some salt, and of course the Power Oil Pure Vegetable Oil. Okay, so I'm starting up the cooking process by going ahead to chop up a bunch of tomatoes, which I'm going to be using for this red curry sauce. And the ingredients used in this recipe makes up for a very well balanced and nutrient dense meal. The tomatoes, of course, help achieve the perfect red color, and then they are a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and folate acid. And these vitamins and minerals have been linked to lowering the risk of some of the cancers that affect our body. And of course, they also are packed with lots of other nutrients. So I'm just going to go ahead to chop up the tomatoes now. I'm using a bunch of fresh tomatoes and some tomato paste as well. There's no red curry sauce without tomatoes, just to be clear. Okay, that's the tomatoes all chopped now. I'm going to move over to the stove top where I already have a pan heating up on medium heat. And I'm going to grab my favorite kitchen companion, which happens to be the Power Oil Pure Vegetable Oil, and then give it a good drizzle into the pan, like so. I'll just allow this to heat up slightly. Next, I'm going to grab the chopped onions, the sizzle, guys. My favorite sound in the whole world. I'll give this a quick saute. And then afterwards, I'm going to throw in some aromatic spices. I'm using some cumin, turmeric, thyme, curry, ginger. I'm also using some garlic and, of course, one seasoning cube. All of this is going to go in here right now. Add the minced ginger and garlic and stir fry till fragrant. Then add some cumin powder, turmeric powder, thyme, curry powder, and seasoning cube. Stir to combine and allow to fry for 1 minute to wake up the spices. Then add the tomato paste, mash into the oil, then stir fry till very crumbly. Grab the chopped tomatoes and add into the pot. Stir fry for a further 2 minutes or until completely dry. I'm using some chicken breast which I simply cut in bite-sized pieces, seasoned with some salt and pepper, and pan-seared it over medium to high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. The chopped scotch bonnet peppers and carrots go in next. Stir again before pouring in the coconut milk. Mix thoroughly to combine, and what you get is this red creamy sauce that smells so divine. Cover the pot and allow to cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. Meanwhile, cook the brown rice. Sprinkle some salt in a pot with boiling water, then add the washed rice. Give it a good stir, cover the pot and allow to cook on very low heat till very tender. I used 2 cups of water for 1 cup of brown rice. To help thicken the sauce, I'll make a cornstarch slurry. Simply mix some cornstarch with water to form a semi-liquid consistency. Then add to the pot along with the frozen peas. Give it a good stir to combine, then cover and leave to cook for another 1 minute, and it should have thickened up by then. The sauce is ready, guys, and the brown rice is soft and ready to go as well. Serve the brown rice on a plate along with the sauce and enjoy this deliciousness with your family and your friends. You see a big smile on my face, and you know that it's time for the favorite part of the entire cooking process, at least for me. It's the taste test segment, and I have Eric in the house to come and give this food a taste and tell me how I did, and tell you guys how he thinks I did as well.
Okay.
Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks good. Looks awesome.
Does it smell nice?
It smells great.
Okay, so I'm just going to go straight into it and serve it. I'll just give you a little bit right now, and then I promise you, you'll ask for more after this.
Okay, let me see. No, it looks good. Everything looks so good.
Yeah. Okay, I think this is fine for tasting.
Yeah, this is good. This is good.
I'll put some sauce just right beside it. Like, I already know how it's going to taste, and I think I already know what his judgment is going to be because he's been salivating.
Of course. No, the aroma has been,
it's amazing.
You made a comment about the aroma, so,
Okay.
It's good. So,
moment of truth, guys. Let's hear from the horse's mouth.
What were you expecting?
I already know, man. I mean, like, if you don't give me anything below mark, you don't know good food.
No, this is good.
Honestly,
No, this is good.
Apart from show, like, forget show.
No, I like it. This
honestly,
yeah.
Is this something that you would
Something I would order. I would like to have again.
Do you have a wife or girlfriend?
No.
No girlfriend, no wife. Ha!
Mm-hmm.
You girls. Holler at me, I'll give you the recipe.
No, I like this. This is good. I have more.
More? Okay, after the show. Alright, guys, you've heard from the horse's mouth. It's amazing.
Awesome.
I don't joke, I don't lie. I tell you the honest truth. This recipe works, and of course, it's one way to add loads and loads of healthy, nutritious, yummy, plant-based ingredients into your diet, and I hope you'll be recreating it. If what he has said today doesn't inspire you to go now to the market and purchase all the ingredients that you'll be needing, I don't know what else would inspire you. And make sure you grab a bottle or 2 of your favorite cooking oil, the Power Oil Pure Vegetable Oil. I'll see you all again next time. Take care, guys.